last time I told the First Minister about former care worker Margaret MacGill, who'd been in hospital for more than 400 nights. She's been unable to get home because the carers that she needs just aren't available. It has now cost the NHS nearly £200,000 to keep her in hospital when she doesn't need or want to be there. 3 weeks on, she is still in hospital in Wick. And Margaret's not alone. This week, we learned that the number of people waiting for a care assessment or for a care package has gone up by 20% in the last year. So can I ask the First Minister, does he really think that his draft budget will fix the crisis in social care and get people like Margaret home?
First Minister.
So the issues around social care are absolutely vital to ensure that we provide the care that people require. We're investing £2 billion in social care and integration, which has increased over the lifetime of the Government. And obviously the Government's budget includes substantial increases in resources available to local authorities and to health boards as part of the measures that are required to deliver effective social care support. Now, the issue that Mr Cole-Hamilton raised with me previously about Mrs MacGill essentially rests upon the availability of personnel to deliver that care. And as I set out to Mr Cole-Hamilton the last time we had exchanges on this question, that issue is significantly affected by the availability of people of working age in areas such as Caithness to deliver such services. And we work closely with the local authority and NHS Highland to do all that we can to support the availability of care staff. And of course, the measures I've taken on access to workers from other countries will help in that respect.
Alex Cole-Hamilton.
Thank you, Presiding Officer. The First Minister knows that we are prepared to vote for his budget if the measures in it are right. We are here to get things done, and the Scottish Liberal Democrats have already secured some big wins through our negotiations on this budget already. Money to back young entrepreneurs, for colleges, for the Northern Isles, removing peak ferry fares, and for faster autism and ADHD assessments. But it is not yet enough to win our support, and we will squeeze every penny we can out of this budget process for business rates, for hospices, for the sake of people like Margaret MacGill on social care. So can I ask the First Minister, is his government prepared to go further to win our support?
First Minister.
I'm aware that there are still discussions going on with the Liberal Democrats and with other parties about the budget process. The budget has not yet come to Parliament for Stage 1 consideration, but I would certainly welcome the support of other parties for the budget. It's always been a priority of mine to attract the support of other parties to the Government's budget proposals. We successfully did that last year, and Mr Cole-Hamilton has given a long list of many reasons to vote for the Scottish Government's budget, and I confirm that those discussions are still underway.